Static keyword in Java. In Java, without creating objects, we can access any variable or method of a class. We have to declare them as static. Following is the declaration of static keyword in Java programming. Static data type variable name. Static return type method name. Rules for static methods are: they can access static data only. They can call static methods only. They cannot refer to this or super. Static variables acts as global variables for all the objects in the class. And order of execution of static is first static variables, then static block, and then static method. Following is the example program for static keyword. Inside the class program, defining the static variables x and y and x of value 10. Now giving a static method print and printing the values of x and y inside the static method. Then defining a static block with formula y equal to x into 2. Returning the print method for the output inside the main. So as per the order of execution, first static variables x and y are executed. So x value is 10. Then static block will be executed, which is y equal to x into 2, that is y equal to 10 into 2, 20. So y value is 20. Then static method will be called, x comma y values are printed. So the output of this program is x value is 10, y value is 20.